Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how to vacuum our bathrooms. Now, first, you want to make sure you've got all the rugs off the floor. So that's just a simple pick up, shake it, and hang it wherever you can in a sanitary place, obviously. You don't want to be hanging it up here on the basin or anything like that. All right, so we've picked all our mats up. Now we're going to start vacuuming. Again, you want to make sure you're checking under the furniture. And sometimes there will be little places that you can't get to with your head. Like next to the fridge is a good example of this one. So you want to remove your head and just try and get all that dust down in there. Takes 2 seconds. But again, that's going to help you with your mop. And make sure you're getting all that hair. Bringing our vacuum over. Now, we do want to be moving these things out of the way. Either you can lift it or move them out of the way. But as you can see, there is a lot of build-up. It all just tends to gravitate towards these spots. And then we're just going to place it back. Get behind our door. Again, more hair. And done. Ready to start the scrubbing of the shower.